Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS 2 exam. Question number 7 is 3 person A, B and C together can do a piece of work in 36 days. A and B together can do 5 times as much work as C alone. B and C together can do as much work as A alone. If A and C together can do n times as much work as B alone, then what is the value of n? Option A 1.5, option B 2, option C 2.5 and option D 3. So here suppose A can finish the work in A days, B can in B days and C can in C days. And together they finish the work in 36 days. So A's one day work is 1 by A, B's one day work is 1 by B and C's one day work is 1 by C. And if they work combined, then their one day work in a year 1 day 36. So this 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 36. And second condition is A and B together can do 5 times as much work as C alone. So A's one day work is 1 by A and B's one day work is 1 by B and C's one day work is 1 by C. So as they combine do 5 times work as that of C, so we multiply here with 5. So this is our second condition. Okay, now third condition is B and C together can do as much work as A alone. So B's one day work is 1 by B and C's one day work is 1 by C. So together they make the work of A. So A's work one day work will be at 1 day. So that is the third condition. And fourth condition is A and C together can do n times as much work as B alone. So A's one day work is 1 by A and C's one day work is 1 by C. Together they make n times 1 day work of B. So 1 day work of B is 1 by B, so if you multiply it by n, so it will be n by B. So these are the four equations. So solving first and second. So from first and second we get from the second equation we get 1 by A plus 1 by B, that is equal to 5 by B. So we will put here and solve for C. So C will come out as 36 into 6. So now the value of C is known. Okay, and we can use equation 2 and 3. In equation 2 and 3 C's value is known now, and 1 by A value is 1 by B plus 1 by C, so we can put here. Okay, and now then we will have equation in terms of B and C, and value of C is known, and then value of B can be calculated. So that is 1 by B plus 1 by A, that is this quantity, and value of C is 36 into 6. Okay, putting this value we can find out value of B. Okay, 1 by B plus 1 by C is here 1 by A, so 1 by A we can put here, and value of C we can also put here, and can find out the value of B. So B comes out as 36 into 3. Okay, now value of B and C are known. Now we can put the value of B and C here and can find out the value of A from equation number 1. So that comes out as 36 into B. Okay, now value of A, B and C are known, so we can put here the value of A, B and C and can find out the value of n. So value of n comes out as 4 by 2 or 2. Answer is option. You can do the calculation. So these are the first four equations, then from 1 and 2, then from 2 and 3, and then putting the value of C and B in 1, finding A, and then using equation number 4 we can find out n as 2.